This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling the features that let the keyboard act like a mouse. Open System Settings and turn on Full Keyboard Access. This maps Tab, Shift-Tab, Space, and Return to interface elements. If you want visual targets, enable the accessibility keyboard so you can click with keys. Learn the core modifiers, Option, Command, Control, Shift, because you will combine them for clicks, menus, and shortcuts. Once done, test Tab to move focus and space, or Return to activate the focused control. Now you learn precise navigation and clicking. Use Tab and Shift-Tab to leap between controls, then arrow keys to fine-tune selection. Press Space or Return to click. For the menu bar, press Ctrl F2, then use left/right and return to choose items. If you need pointer-style movement, enable mouse keys to move the cursor with the numeric pad keys. Make sure numlock behaves predictably. Once you master these, combining modifier keys lets you perform context clicks, drag selections, and open contextual menus without reaching for a mouse. Finish by streamlining workflows and knowing one key fix. Create app-specific shortcuts in Keyboard Shortcuts to replace mouse workflows. Use Automator or Apple Script to script repetitive clicks, making complex tasks one keystroke. Practice combining Command Tab for app switching with focused navigation to stay fast. If things stop responding, restart the accessibility features or toggle full keyboard access off and back on. That usually clears focus or mapping issues. If not, reboot. This resets services and restores keyboard-driven control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.